Thanks for asking about what COAD is here in Alachua County. And I'll say that it's part of a national trend that has been getting in the movement since there's been various types of disasters across the country. And what emergency management departments have been finding is that when they're in the peak of the immediate disaster, there are a lot of individuals and organizations that will show up wanting to help. And that's a difficult time to organize who can be the various stations of where assistance, distribution of food or supplies can be. So in between disasters, departments of management have been organizing these community organizations active in disaster. And here in Gainesville, Alachua County, our emergency management started the process last year and held a meeting in January to which several different organizations, faith-based, showed up and started the conversation to engage in a planning process. And that's when you and I and a couple other people that had been working with building communities in a changing climate were able to find a connection with interfaith communities with this process to assist individuals and communities when they've been hit with a disaster.
Aches. And I know that part of my experience with this has been responding when people say, "Help, I've been affected by this disaster. I need help." People have a way of registering to they need help, and then are asking people to register to offer help.
Yeah, so what we will often see is that when there's a disaster in a community, you have your public works departments from the different municipal organizations, county levels and the cities, and they can do a lot, but they're limited to what they can do. And the recognition here is that government can only do so much, but you have individuals who need assistance beyond what the government can do. And that's where we, the people, have an opportunity to show up. And when we show up with our faith-based groups, it allows us to assist those individuals contribute their energy and skills. It's really valuable, not only at the immediate time of the disaster, but what we're seeing, the long-term recovery that many of these places that have had a home flooded is going to take months. And, for a community that's been hit, it can take years. For that community to recover.